How to see your Spotify Wrapped. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very simple and easy, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. So first of all, the Spotify Wrapped has been released yesterday, and if you haven't seen it in your Spotify, you have to make sure you have an updated version of the Spotify. Simply go to your Play Store or App Store and search for Spotify and make sure it is up to date. So let's go back to our Spotify, and here if you can't see your Spotify Wrapped, you have to click on the search bar on the bottom, and there you go, your 2022 Wrapped on the top, and in like music sections you have 2022 Wrapped again on the top. So many people are asking that it's available only in premium variant, but it's not. It's available in free variant, but make sure to update your Spotify. So once you have updated your Spotify, it will be available in your search bar or on your home screen. So I hope this video will help you out. This is how to see your Spotify Wrapped.